Welcome to Quick 1 Minute about the Magnetic Project Manager. I love this book written by my buddy Ed because it helps me understand that I need to be magnetic. Ed, what is a magnetic person?
Someone that attracts, that really has a charisma style. I love what Russell Brunson said. He talked about the attractive character. Attractive character has nothing to do with this, baby, not looks, but it has to do with being able to convince people, to lead people, and influence them in a way to do something maybe they didn't thought that they could do, but it's really inside of them.
So, what I'm learning from this book is that to be a magnetic project manager, I need to be intentional about it and I need to exude magnetism. What is one thing that I can do to exude a magnetic personality, Ed? One thing.
Start with self-confidence, and self-confidence starts with, guess what, Phil? You, meaning self. It
Mm.
starts with you. Then you could exude, and it's very attractive when you start having self-confidence, and it's something you work on continuously. It just doesn't happen overnight.
I love it.